Welcome to the Meetboard 4 Prime AI camera tutorial. The Meetboard 4 Prime features an AI-powered camera designed to enhance video conferencing efficiency. Follow these steps to enable AI camera functions. Open the side menu and tap the System Settings icon. Select Device Management, then tap Camera. Enable AI Camera to activate smart tracking features. Choose Sound Source Localization for sound tracking mode. Or Intelligent Framing for auto-framing mode. These AI enhancements work across all video conferencing apps, ensuring an optimized and engaging meeting experience.